Hey, what's up, everybody? It's Vashawn Jones, visionary of Fedora Outlier LLC, and we are back for another one. And as I said in the email, if you didn't get the email, then you don't know what I said. So I'll say it here. We have trained over, and I hate that word train, but the industry loves it. We have taught over 1,000 people in the last over 10 years of doing this thing called technology teaching or coaching is one of the words that I like. One of the problems that I run across, and it's a big problem because it's very irritating to me, is when people don't understand their devices, and more importantly, they don't get the screen reader and how it reacts to their touch or to the keystroke. And I'm in meetings with blind executives, blind professionals, and well, the first thing is they don't have any headphones on, so they're like, I'm like, first of all, any blind, this is not Jaws anymore, or the little phones that you used to have back in the day where you could turn the volume to 1,000 and people were confused. Everybody understands voiceover, so that email where your boss just told you you're fired. Yeah, we heard it. Yeah, we know why your day was dampened and why we didn't see you anymore. So that's one of the things. But the other thing is just not understanding like the gestures, the keystrokes, where stuff takes you, how stuff works, and an example of that is I have a client, right, that I
1:05 p.m.
teach, and that's my iPhone, and so
Monday, March 4th.
my phone is unlocked, and let's say
Unlocked.
we make a
Flashlight.
call.
Off. Button.
Hold on one sec.
Doc. Mail. Page. Doc. Mail. 1900. Phone. 3 new items.
Let me go to the phone. I'm gonna go to my
Selected.
favorites
Favorites.
and
Tab.
call
Selected.
something.
Favorite. Edit. Dash. More info. Free conference call. More info. Free
I'm gonna
conference call.
call
Main.
free
Button. Free
conference
conference call.
call.
Main. Button.
So I'm gonna dial it, and this is the way this person hangs up the phone, literally. And it may work, but it never works for this person. But I'm gonna show you. So I'm gonna call.
Select.
Bam.
Free conference
The
call.
number you are dialing is outside of your plan and will incur a 1 cent per minute charge if you
All right, I'll
continue.
pay the
You
one
can hang up
cent
now to avoid the
per
charge.
minute because we're only gonna be up here 1 minute. And so the call picks up, right?
Welcome. This service is provided by
We turn that down.
freeconferencecall.com.
Please enter.
And so he tries to hang up, and he goes,
Top of screen.
"Do you hear that?
Speech off.
Access code
Do
Speech on.
you,
Speech off.
nothing." I mean, he literally does that. I'm gonna hang up real smooth. See that? Right? I mean, he just taps and bangs on the phone. And one day I sat there and listened to his whole conversation. And finally, when he picked up the phone, I said, "Dude, I've been listening the whole time. You never hung up the phone." Does it all the time. Not smooth at all. So, in every device, from Amazon to Google to Apple, Windows, every one of them has a practice area. It's very, very important for the fundamentals and the foundation for you to practice the gestures. Understand what they do, why they do it, and when is the best time to use them. And this is almost like when my saxophone instructor came over. He said, "You want to make the ah sound with the mouthpiece, right?" It was a quick tip. It took him less than 60 seconds to say it, but it really changed my whole trajectory in playing. It's something that simple. Learn your gestures, what they do, why, and when to use them. Very, very important. Okay? All right. Because I don't want you banging on your phone like that anymore. So check this out. Alexa's back. I hired her. She begged. She begged. So I'm gonna give her a task. Alexa, what is third? No. Alexa, what is $3.33 times 12?
The product of $3 and 33 US cents and 12 are $39 and 96 US cents. Did that answer your question?
Yes, ma'am. Yes. Thank you. So
Thanks for your feedback.
all right, look, you work for me. I don't work for you. So for $3.33 $33, $39.90 whatever 7 cents per year. Join us over on Patreon where we're going to deliver a total of 52, one per week. It is 52 weeks in a year for $3.33 a month, less than a dollar, almost less than 75 cents, less than a dollar a week. You're going to get great tips to help you master your device in PDF form, video form, whatever form is going to be most accessible for you. And that's our standard level. We're starting everybody at the $3.33 a month level. If what we say helps you in any way, we ask that you join us. It's patreon.com/Fedora Outlier LLC. And speaking of Fedora, check me out, baby. Check me out. I got on the new Fedora t-shirt. It's the Fedora orange letters with the army green shirt. It is hot. Created by Full Show Imaging. And they also do our sound engineering when they're here. They'll be here on Wednesday. Videos produced, the professional ones, and it's only been one, but the professional one, produced by them. And I'm going to get the proprietor, the owner of For Show Imaging on a one of the live interviews. So look out for that. Listen, the Device Foundations course is launching next week. We've already had a couple people pre-sign up and pay their deposits, so thank you guys for that. More information to come. Thanks for watching as always, and yeah, let's change the world. Hey, and remember, do it smoothly, not like that. Be intentional in what you do, and let's change the world together.